to the channel. This month was huge. The portfolio briefly topped a 100% return. My Trading 212 social account hit 1,000 followers. And the big one, we crossed £100,000. Now I've got to ask, how long do you think it'll take me to double it to 200k? Drop your guess in the comments. I'll pin the boldest one. And stick around to the end because I'll show you how the AI growth pies are doing. And trust me, there's already a surprise leader. So what's moving the needle? Aviva is carrying the team. 2 years ago, I sat there thinking, should I buy Aviva or Legal & General? Honestly, at the time, it felt like flipping a coin. Looks like I backed the wrong horse, but luckily I hedged my bets and took both. Which one would you have picked back then, Aviva or L&G? BP is finally back in the green. Feels good to say that after months of pain. Legal & General and XPS. Let's just say they haven't set the world on fire, but at least they haven't crashed either. Let's start with the star of the show, Aviva. Profits up 22% in the first half of the year, smashing expectations. Dividend up 10%, always nice for the income investors. And they've now become the UK's top wealth manager, with over £209 billion under management. The stock's up nearly 47% year to date, hitting levels we haven't seen since before the financial crisis in 2008. Oh, and they've just closed the Direct Line acquisition. Integration could be messy, but if they pull it off, it could make Aviva an absolute powerhouse. What do you reckon? Smooth sailing or integration nightmare? Now, Legal & General, they've been busy too, merged £6.37 billion in property funds and completed £3.4 billion in pension risk transfers in just the first half. And the global market for this is expected to hit $1 trillion in the next decade. Sounds great, right? But analysts are raining on the parade. RBC downgraded them to underperform, JPM to neutral. So tell me, is this a buying opportunity or is the market right to be cautious? Quick note on the pension sector. Gilt yields are still high, which in the long run is great. It means pension firms can meet their liabilities more comfortably. But in the short term, high yields mean low gilt values, which makes balance sheets look ugly. That's why I'm sticking with them. Sometimes investing is about patience. Would you hold or would you rotate out? And then there's BP, the comeback kid. Q2 profits came in around $2.35 billion. They announced a $750 million share buyback and bumped the dividend by 4%. They're also trimming the fat, $5 billion in cost savings, $20 billion in divestments by 2027. But the headline? Their biggest oil discovery in 25 years in Brazil's Santos Basin. It's huge, but it comes with challenges. CO2 levels in the reservoir could make development tricky. So here's my question. Do you think BP should keep chasing new oil fields or double down on renewables? Now on to the bit I know a lot of you are watching for. The AI growth pies. At the moment, Grok is leading with a 1.32% return, mostly thanks to Spotify jumping 12%. Who knew your playlist could boost your portfolio? ChatGPT Pro is lagging in performance, but here's the kicker. It's the most popular with 156 copies. Meanwhile, Gemini has just 5 copies and Grok itself has 58. So here's the debate. Would you rather hold the one everyone else is copying or the one actually making money? Comment below. I'm really curious on this one. So to wrap it up, Aviva's been the MVP, BP is making a comeback, L&G and XPS are holding the line, and the AI growth PIs are off to an intriguing start. And of course, the portfolio crossing 100k, a huge milestone. Thanks again for all the support. Like, subscribe, and let's see how far we can take this together. And don't forget, leave your boldest prediction in the comments. When do you think we'll hit 200k?